All right, this video here is all about Optivision reviews. If you're looking up Optivision supplements, Optivision Advanced Vision Support that supports macular health, features lutein and zeaxanthin and whatever else for your eyes, lycopene, whatever. This is a video for you. So if you've seen a green bottle or a white bottle with a green label called Optivision, I have information you might be looking for. I'm going to show you a video here in a second that maybe you saw. By the way, please hit the like button down below, the thumbs up button. That will tell Google and YouTube my video has value and credibility, and then other people might be able to find my video and benefit from the work that I'm doing to try to keep people away from scam marketing. The page that I came from, I think from YouTube, said a hidden compound in wild blueberries could be the key to healthier vision. Scientists were surprised by what they found inside wild blueberries. He spent years struggling with tired eyes, never imagining that a natural discovery could actually help. That's what the page said. And so now I can show you. You can see here's the page, and I'm going to hit play from the very beginning.
Best and worst foods for your eyesight. Number 1, oatmeal. Oatmeal is one of the fastest ways to spike your blood sugar and inflame the tiny vessels that keep your retina sharp, and inflamed retinal vessels equal blurry mornings.
Okay, so that's Dr. Ming Wang. Dr. Ming Wang never endorsed Optivision supplements. So if you're looking around for Optivision reviews, Optivision supplements reviews, Optivision Dr. Ming Wang, he never endorsed this. No doctors, hospitals, universities, or famous people ever endorsed Optivision supplements in the way that they're going to show everything here. And if you are looking around for anything having to do with vision, like some sort of a cure or solution, my advice will always be to go see a doctor. Let's see more of the video here that scammers created. I'm not calling Optivision a scam. I just want to make that very clear. I am, however, saying there's scam marketing happening out there, and that my guess is that it would be very difficult to find out who creates this product, where it comes from, where is it bottled, who's the founder, where's their staff, where's their office, all that kind of stuff is usually difficult to find with these sorts of marketing promotions, and that tells you a whole lot about the whole thing, doesn't it?
Night glare, and that film over your eyes you can never shake. Number 2, margarine. It might say heart healthy on the label, but the oxidized fats in margarine irritate the surface of the eye.
Okay, I just want to pause real quick. This is a deep fake with AI generated audio, so this is hilarious. They think Dr. Ming Wang sounds like this. He doesn't. It's a deep fake, meaning manipulated lip movement with AI generated audio. If you're wondering, well, why isn't he suing? Why aren't they doing something about this? I don't know. There are thousands of scams just like this with deep fake AI generated audio videos that are trying to promote thousands of different medicinal products, and no one seems to care. The FTC, governmental authorities, agencies, law enforcement, whatever. This all begins with social media platforms or video platforms that allow ads that give the first step so that these scams can be successful, these scam marketing attempts. And so when you look at like Meta or the website you're on right now or TikTok or whatever, they accept money from scammers, and Meta does it big time. So is TikTok, in terms of accepting money for thousands and thousands of scams all the time, and no one does anything about it, and they get away with it because they're a giant corporation. But if you, one person, not like a big corporation, you're not rich, I'm assuming. If you are, hi, how are you? I want to be your friend. You probably would receive a knock at the door the first time you committed any sort of minor fraud or accepted money to help out with a scam. But big corporations get away with it because that's the way the world works in the US here in this century. That is the way America is, and it's really sad.
Stress the microcirculation behind it. If your eyes feel dry, gritty, or slow to focus, this could be a hidden reason. Now, number 3 always surprises people. Water. Most people don't realize this, but plastic bottles release tiny plastic particles into the water.
So I don't need to really talk about this a whole lot more. This is just going to be a video that's going to continue talking about how there's a blueberry trick or something like that, a blueberry recipe. The recipe promises a hook to get you to watch the whole video. There is no blueberry recipe. They're lying to you about that. Just an empty promise to get you to watch what will be an hour-long or probably more than an hour-long video. And so after the video, it'll finally tell you the product is called Optivision, and it'll have you pick from a bottle package. And whenever you click on a bottle package to go buy one, it will take you to a My Cart Panda website. And that will talk about biodigital solutions, apparently, whatever that is. And it will want you to go ahead and sign up. And it'll say there's a money back guarantee. But you can't trust a money back guarantee if it's going through a scam funnel with deepfake marketing. That's my thinking. And so obviously, no auto ship. Maybe it will have auto ship. It says no auto ship on the page that I'm looking at right here. It will probably come with a subscription if I had to guess, but that's just my opinion. I don't know that for sure. And it might come with a larger initial fee than it actually claims. It's going to be hundreds of dollars a month, maybe. I I can't really tell. I'm not going to go spend my money on it. That's for sure. Go see a doctor. Like, comment, subscribe. The join button is down below. If you're looking for Optivision reviews, Optivision supplement reviews, Optivision vision reviews, whatever it is you're looking for, hopefully you will find it in my video. Thank you so much for watching.